In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to find copyright-free images. When you're creating content, presentations, or social media posts, it's really important to use images you're actually allowed to use. Just because a picture shows up in a Google search doesn't mean it's free to download and post anywhere. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Google's built-in tools to filter for images that are labeled for reuse, so you can stay on the right side of copyright. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type in what you're looking for. For example, you might search for sunset over mountains or business team meeting. Press Enter to see the normal search results page. Next, look near the top of the page and click on the Images tab. This switches you from web results to image results, so you can see a grid of pictures related to your search. At this point, you're still seeing all kinds of images, many of which are protected by copyright. So we need to narrow that down. Just below the search bar, you'll see a row of options. Find and click on Tools. This will reveal some extra filters underneath, including one called Usage Rights. Click on Usage Rights and you'll see several choices. Depending on the version of Google you're using, this might say things like Creative Commons licenses or commercial and other licenses. If you want images that are generally safer to reuse, choose the option that mentions Creative Commons licenses. Once you click that, Google will reload the images and only show those that are labeled with some form of reusable license. Now, this part is important. Even though you've filtered by usage rights, you should still check the original source of each image. Click on a picture you like, then click through to visit the website it comes from. On that page, look for any notes about the license or how you're allowed to use the image. Some creators may require that you credit them, link back to their site, or avoid using the image for commercial projects. If you don't see clear information, it's safer to skip that image and choose another one where the license details are obvious. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from copyright issues later. Once you've confirmed that an image is allowed for your type of use, you can go ahead and download it or take a screenshot, following the guidelines from the original site. And that's how you use Google to quickly find images that are much more likely to be copyright friendly.